Welcome to Gorilla's Friday Challenge Week 5 with Gorilla Test Papers. This weekly series is designed to help you master all key topics in the SEAG specification. This week we will look at the topic of money. This is the first question of the week. The question asks, Jack buys a burger for £3.85, chips for £2.10 and a drink for £1.55. He pays with a £10 note. How much change does he get? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. So let's get into it. The first learning point of the week is that £1 is equal to 100 pence. This is very important when it comes to doing calculations with money. For this question, we need to find the total cost and then work out Jack's change from the £10 note. So firstly, we add up the cost of the burger and chips, which is £3.85 plus £2.10. This gives us £5.95. Now we need to add the cost of the drink, which is £1.55, to the cost of the burger and chips. This equals £7.50. So therefore, Jack's total cost is £7.50 for everything he got. We now have to subtract the total cost from the £10 note in order to find out how much change Jack gets. This is £10 minus £7.50, which gives us £2.50. This is the answer for this question. This is the next question of the week. The question asks, a jacket costs £47.99 and a pair of shoes costs £38.50. Estimate the total cost by rounding each price to the nearest £10 before adding. How much is the estimated total? This question also has multiple choice answers, which are £85, £95, £75, £90 and £85. Pause the video now to try the question yourself. So let's get into it. This question introduces the second learning point of the week, which is if a question asks you to estimate something, don't calculate it exactly. This learning point can be used in a lot of different topics. So firstly, we need to round each price to the nearest £10. To round to the nearest 10, we need to look at the ones place in each number. This will tell us if we need to round up or down. If the ones digit is 5 or higher, we will round up to the next multiple of 10, and if the ones digit is below 5, we round down to the previous multiple of 10. So therefore, the jacket rounds up from £47.99 to £50, and the shoes round up from £38.50 to £40. The next step is to add the rounded values together. So we do £50 plus £40, which equals £90. This is the answer for this question, which is answer D, £90. This is the third question of the week. Although SEAG past papers are never officially released, this question is said to be from a past paper, which makes it perfect practice with real exam material. The question asks, Simon is shopping for groceries. If Simon buys 3 cans of soup and 2 boxes of tea bags, how much does he pay in total? The question also gives us the price of soup, which is 47p, with an offer of 3 for the price of 2. It also gives us the price of tea bags, which is £2.77, with an offer of buy 2, get £1 off. Pause the video now to try the question yourself. So let's get into it. We first need to calculate the cost of 3 cans of soup. Since there is an offer which allows Simon to buy 3 cans of soup for the price of 2, all we need to do is multiply the price of soup by 2 due to this offer. So therefore, 47p multiplied by 2 equals 94p. Now we need to calculate the cost of 2 boxes of tea bags. So we first need to calculate how much 2 boxes would cost without the offer, which is £2.77 multiplied by 2. This gives us £5.54. Now we need to take £1 off this due to the offer. So we do £5.54 minus £1, which equals £4.54. Finally, we need to calculate the total cost. We do this by adding the two costs together. This is 94p plus £4.54, which gives us £5.48. This is the answer to this question. This is the next question. The question asks, a football costs £25 but is on sale with a 20% discount. How much does the football cost after the discount? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. This question introduces the third learning point of the week, which is 20% equals 1/5. So let's use this learning point for this question. To calculate 20% of £25, all we need to do is find 1/5 of £25. This is the same as £25 divided by 5. So therefore, 1/5 of £25 equals £5. Now we need to subtract the discount from the original price to find out how much the football costs in the sale. To calculate this, we do £25 minus 5, which gives us £20. This is the answer for this question. This is the final question of the week. This question is also believed to be from an SEAG past paper, further making it great practice. The question asks, John needs to buy 6 kilograms of potatoes. He can either buy loose potatoes at 44p per half kilogram or purchase 2 kilogram bags for £1.72 each. How much money does he save by choosing the 2 kilogram bags? Pause the video now to try the question yourself. So let's get into it. To find out how much money John saves by choosing the 2 kilogram bags, we need to individually calculate how much each option would cost for 6 kilograms of potatoes. First, we will calculate how much it costs with the loose potatoes option. To do this, we first need to calculate how much 1 kilogram costs, which is 44p multiplied by 2, which gives us 88p. Then we will multiply 88p by 6 in order to find out how much this option costs for 6 kilograms of potatoes. This gives us £5.28. Secondly, we will find out how much it costs for 6 kilograms of potatoes with the 2 kilogram bag option. So we have to multiply 1.72 by 3 since we want 6 kilograms of potatoes, which equals £5.16. Now we need to compare the two options. To do this, we will do £5.28 minus £5.16, which equals 12p. This is the answer for this question. Congratulations, you have now completed this week of Gorilla's Friday Challenge by Gorilla Test Papers. If you're looking for more SEAG materials, head over to our site at www.gorillatestpapers.co.uk for all the resources you need. Don't forget to like this video and let us know how you did in the comments. We'd love to hear your score and any thoughts you have about the series. See you next week for another session of Gorilla's Friday Challenge.